I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ram 2500 headlights. First, gather all your necessary tools, such as a socket wrench and the new headlight bulb. Make sure your truck is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Understanding these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Begin by opening your truck's hood and locating the retaining bolts that secure the headlight unit. You will typically find 2 or 3 bolts. Use a socket wrench to carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward to release it from its mounting clips. With the assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, depending on your model, you will either twist or unclip the old bulb to remove it from its housing. When inserting the new bulb, be careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it clicks into place. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining bolts and tighten them properly. Before closing the hood, turn on your truck and test the new headlights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.